Hi there, I'm happy to see you at my channel watching my tutorial. So in this video I will share and show my skills and my technique how to make this nice beautiful form of shape of beads. I don't know really how to say it correct in English. Teardrop, tear form, pear form, pear shape, so I will just call it drop shape of bead, of drop beads. And plus I will show how to prepare for baking it, that it doesn't change its form of shape during baking. And let's go. To say in front that my English is not perfect, so I hope that you will understand everything that I say. And if you have questions about process, if you have problems to make something like, if you don't understand, please just write under this video and comment, and we'll happy to answer you. So now I'm busy to prepare clay for to avoid breaking bubbles, and of course it's easy to work with it. So I split it in pieces. It's easy for me to work. And what I would like to say about colors that I use. The most important basic color, it's a translucent, of transparent. I use Fimo translucent, but you can also use Cernit of or Pardo or Scalpi. So doesn't matter. So now I'm busy to prepare a piece of translucent clay, and I forgot to clean good my surface, and I forgot to clean roll what I use, and now I have little issues, so I need to clean it. What I would like to say, that's always clean your surface before you begin to work. And the second rule, it's what I not always keep, but I should try. Start to work with light colors. Begin with light and finish with dark. So after clay is ready, I split it in 4 pieces. From 3 of these pieces, I will prepare canes, basic for canes. If you see, and from this fourth part, I will split it in 3 again, like you see, and I will mix it with each color. So it will be the first layer of the can. At first base translucent, then this mix between color and translucent, and then color. So pink with translucent, and then pink. So it's ready, and I will start to cover translucent clay first with this mix, and then with color. So when all canes are ready, I will just cut sides away and then roll it. I will make it more thinner, see? And so, like, I will repeat that these canes must be not have same size. One can be a little bit more thick than other ones. Just no problem. It just will make it our pattern more nicer. Then we have the absolute similar size. So canes are ready, and I will start to make prepare balls for our drops for. If you see, I rolled out piece of clay and I cut 6 pieces with cutter. You can use any cutter that you have. You just must have similar same size of balls, so it's important. The best way is to roll your piece of clay with pasta machine, then you will have the similar thickness everywhere. So I clean it a little bit with baby wipes because it's right colors. It's white, it's translucent white, it's very fast take dust from nowhere. If you work with clay, you know it. And now when balls are ready, I cut little circles of canes, you see, like you see it, and I begin to apply to balls. So what is the important to know, and that thicknesses of the circles must be more or less similar, because if you cut it out a little bit thicker than other ones, your drops will have different sizes and it will be visible. And to change it, it's almost impossible, so you need to restart or make the same ball. So be carefully care about size of the little circles. Now I applied. If you see, sometimes your colors can be repeating, so you can have same 2 colors, and it's possible because we have only 3 canes, and it's no problem. And second moment, that you can have spaces between your circles. It will not affect your pattern. Yeah, of course, space maximum half millimeter or something like it, not bigger. Then it will absolutely no problem. And now I'm almost finished, and I will apply last pieces of circles, and I have not enough, so I will cut it a little bit more of them. So I'm busy now to make shape of drop shape. And if you see, I'll turn it a little bit and pull out. Every time when I turn, I a little bit pull out the top. Now it looks like matryoshka. And now I will just turn it more and pull it out the top. And it's almost there. Okay, almost ready. And maybe you don't see now this white, it looks translucent, looks like white, but when you bake it you will see that it's a half translucent, half transparent. Now I'm busy prepare cardboard. It's or can use just paper of 200 grams, because if it's too light paper it can blow out or fly out in the oven. So look that your piece of paper is hard enough and thick enough. And I use cotton pads. I just break it and place under my beads. That's way will sure not change them shape during baking. And it's also help to avoid touching beads with each other. So I will bake it at 110 degrees. You follow instruction of your clay, and after I recommended, if it just baked, place immediately in the cold, ice cold water. Then this transparent effect, this translucent effect will pop up, so you will see it much better. So thank you to watching me, and I hope you enjoy my tutorial. If you have questions, please leave it under this video, and subscribe me and push like if you like, and to the next video. Bye.